Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video called the 5 Supply Challenge. So I got this package from my friend Abby, and she is the creator of the Lorien box series. So she has a craft box, toy box, and a lunch box, and I'll be linking her video in the description box below. And the rules are simple. We send each other 5 craft supplies, and we have to make one single DIY piece with them, and we need to use each supply at least once. And we can add whatever extra we want. So if I want to add like resin piece or clay to it, then I could just add that on as long as I use everything in this bag at least once. So let's see what Abby sent me. So first thing, this looks like a washi tape swatch, and it's very shiny. Is holographic the word? That's what it looks like. It looks like wrapping paper to me. And then she sent me this blue glitter. I don't know if the camera can pick up on it, but it's very fine blue glitter. And then some die cut stars. And then color sand. So according to the package, it's part of a jelly candle part. But it looks like just regular white sand. And then this, she sent me some acrylic pieces, and it's very tropical themed. So here's a dolphin, a starfish, and island. So I opened up all the packaging, and staring at it, she really did pack everything with a theme in mind. But I thought I had an idea that I wanted to make, but then I stared and I'm like, yeah, I really don't know how I should kind of go about this. I'm still really not sure. I'm not quite sure where this will be a process. Let's do this. So first I thought, let's make a base. So I took this half dome resin mold, placed some resin in it and cured it. And here we have a perfectly nice dome-like thing. Then I decided to make this into a terrarium, so I cut out a circle out of shrink plastic, and this is the base for the dome to be on. Then I placed some resin all over the shrink plastic piece, and I poured the sand, which is one of the supplies that I was sent, and let that cure. Then next I took this green holographic sheet, and I decided to cut out little grass blades out of them. And I put a layer of soft UV resin on both sides so they're more firm and not as flimsy. Then I put some UV resin on the little sand thing, and I placed a little grass and let that cure. And I did that with the other 3 pieces. Then I added UV resin all over the base, and I added little star glitters, which is another supply in my kit. And then I placed the dome on top of my little sand base and let that cure. Then I decided to take some clay and roll it into fat teardrop shapes, bend it, and cut it at a slant, and these will be little waves. And then once cured, I have 5 little pieces like so. And I placed some super glue on the bottom of it, and I glued it to the top, and I had all the wave pieces kind of sticking outwards. So next I'm gonna use up the rest of my supplies, so I took some UV resin and added the blue glitter that I was sent. Mix it all together, make a nice blue glittery mixture. Then taking this dolphin acrylic piece that I got, I'm going to spread the blue glitter all around and let that cure. Then I domed the dolphin with another layer of UV resin and spread it all around. And I have this mixture of random sea-like supplies that I got from Miniature Sweets, I believe, and I just spread it all around the dolphin. And this was to just give it more kind of detail and more, you know, just something more interesting to look at than a blue dolphin. And then once cured, we have a dolphin that looks like this. So then we're going to stick the dolphin onto the base. So I added some super glue onto the tips of the tail, and I placed the dolphin in the middle of my clay wave stuff. And next I took a paintbrush and I painted on some UV resin all around the waves along with the dome. And I added some little clear bubbles just as like extra detail all around the waves. You don't really see it that well. And once fully cured, here is my final product of my 5 supply challenge. So I have my little dome with the clear sand, grass, and stars under the dome. Then I have the dolphin with the blue glitter on top with extra details. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Abby's 5 supply challenge video, which she released a long time ago. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching.